Today we're going to talk about words that have prefixes un and re. A prefix is a word part added to the beginning of a base word that changes the meaning of the word. The prefix un means not or to reverse. The prefix re means again. Uninvited means not invited. Re-invited means invited again. You can look up base words you do not know in the dictionary. Let's look at some examples. For the base word lock, re-lock means lock again. Unlock means the reverse, or to not lock. Tie, retie, tie again. Untie means to reverse the tie or not tie. Happy, unhappy means not happy. Build, rebuild means build again.